Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're gonna go ahead and revisit the Pink Eco Styler gel. It's been a minute since I've used this. But first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
All my old time subbies, the congregation, the Rain Gang, Happy Curl Gang, welcome back for another video. So let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. So y'all know I love me some Eco Styler, some Wetline Extreme Gel. I've tried this Eco Styler pink gel, which is actually for curls and waves, many years ago, and I hated it. Like, it was one of the worst Eco Stylers I had ever tried. So I saw it in the beauty supply store about a month ago, and I've been seeing it obviously, but I'm just like, nah, I ain't gonna do it. But today we gonna do it. Okay, you never know, sometimes your hair changes, things happen, God be working, blessing, you know, your life and stuff. You never know.
Okay.
I tried the pink Eco Styler when it was Eco Styler, because y'all know it's Eco Style. They didn't got bougie on this, you know what I mean? So if you have not tried it, I love the smell. Oh, it just smells very fresh. I know I say that in every video, but it just smells very fresh, very faint. Only a hold of 8. Of course, alcohol free. Was only $2.99, which is what I love about Eco Styler. Be coming through with the prices. So if you're new here, I don't use a leave-in when trying new products on camera because I want to get the full effect of how the product is going to work with no barriers. For this video, I'm just curious to start implementing leave-in. So I'm going to do a leave-in on this side, and then I'm not going to do a leave-in on this side of my hair just to see if there's any difference. Now that we got the YouTube stuff out the way, let's talk, okay? Many of you guys know that I just got back from Atlanta, and let me just tell y'all, oh, that place is everything. That place is everything, and I absolutely love Atlanta. So we're gonna go ahead and take the gel. Now, it does have little clear little sparkles in it, and of course it's pink. So I'm not expecting like a hold like I would from the other gels. But we're gonna go ahead and just see what it's working with these days. So anyway, y'all, Atlanta was amazing. My flight out there sucked because, oh, Jesus. First of all, I don't like to fly. I'm very scared of flying. It's not something that I look forward to. You know, I put on my big girl panties or whatever, you know. But I am usually in deep prayer while I'm on the plane. I just don't like the airport. I just don't like nothing about flying. Okay, so far it feels like I applied a very light gel, which is what I'm expecting. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more because you guys know I like a good hold. So we're gonna go ahead and just take my Denman brush and create some pretty curls. So anyway, okay, the plane ride. The plane ride was going just fine until I suddenly ended up at Magic Mountain, Knott's Berry Farm, Disneyland, I don't know. And we were just going through a whole bunch of ungodly turbulence. I don't think I prayed that hard on a plane. I said, Holy Spirit, Jesus, forgive me for any sins that I have committed. Amen. I need for you to get me to Atlanta. I'm not ready to go. I got a child, I got a husband, I got things to do, people to see. I'm not ready, God. I'm not. So, you know, we were having this conversation with the Lord, and we were dipping and diving, and I just wasn't here for it. You know, the captain got on and was like, we're going to be going through this for about 30 minutes. I'm sorry, what? 30 minutes? Devil is a lie. Okay, I don't have no 30 minutes to be dealing with this. I tried to watch a movie, be all extra smooth, because the man next to me was just real, like, comfortable in this season of dips and dives. I said, God, what are you trying to show me right now? Do I need to be comfortable in the season that may be a little, you know, shaky, to rely on you and trust you. Listen, don't get me started. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Don't get me started. So yeah, y'all, it was just, the flight sucked. So then when I finally got to Atlanta, first of all, the Atlanta airport just intimidates the crap out of me. Because LAX is big, but it's not, to me, as big as Atlanta airport. Atlanta airport got a straight train that goes through the doggone airport. So then when I try to find where my baggage is at, the lady that I asked was rude, and I said, hold up, this supposed to be the South, where everybody got that hospitality and they just real nice and everything. Like, where you come from, you must not be from Atlanta. I need to talk to somebody from Atlanta, because your tone was not very godly, ma'am. Just messed up, because I was like, dang, I got off the flight, I'm tired, I'm still shaking due to the turbulence and all that stuff. And, you know, so having to deal with her was not happy. I wasn't happy. What you do is you ask men, because most men go ahead and try to help you out. So I just asked a male employee. Then I figured it out, got my luggage, and that was that. So I was really happy to see my friend, because I ain't seen him in a long time. And then I was happy, you know, to be able to spend this time with my sister. And y'all know I love Atlanta as it is. So just to be in Atlanta is just so freaking amazing and so dope on so many levels, because the city is just freaking beautiful. I just put a post up on my Instagram asking, why did me and my sister get so many stairs? Like, we got stairs. You know, people were saying that, you know, I guess, you know, we do have like the LA swag. I don't know. But I gotta read the rest of the comments. But the ones that I was responding to, people were saying people from Atlanta really ain't from Atlanta. So it makes sense. Y'all, I had such an amazing time. I got a chance to really explore the city. Visited Dr. King's gravesite in his old church. That was beautiful. His home. That was so amazing. I just felt some kind of way. The mall is dope. I mean, y'all got everything in that freaking mall. Like, I thought we had everything in our mall. No. Y'all have every freaking store in that Lenox Mall. The food, y'all.
Tomatoes. Bless God.
Holla, the food. The food is so blessed by God, y'all. It's so blessed and anointed. I just need to know what type of oil they cook with. Jesus set aside a special oil for Atlanta's cooking. You know what I mean? He said, no, this is going to be for Atlanta. Everybody else can get some regular oil. I got off keto. My stomach didn't have like a reaction, but I instantly noticed like digestive issues. Like, just, I mean, we grown, I guess, okay? And I just, you know, wanted to live it up. So as soon as I got back, I'm immediately back on keto and in the gym and trying to get my life, because if y'all don't know, your girl's lost 15 pounds. Holla, how you doing? So I want to keep at this journey. That was my first goal weight, was to lose 15. And I have 3 goal weights. So we're going to hit the next goal weight. So we got to get back on it. I gained about 2.5 pounds over the weekend, which I think personally was just water weight, because, you know, you eating out all that sodium, you drinking and stuff, so it's a lot of water weight. So I feel like I have to keep on applying gel. I think I'm gonna get a lot of frizz, honestly. So this is how my hair is looking with the leave-in. Very shiny. It feels like, you know, I have on just a lighter gel. Nothing too drastic of a difference. We're not gonna use any leave-in on this part. We're taking the gel. So what's really weird is that it really is like weighing my hair down. Like, how I can tell my hair is weighed down is when it just like, it's just straight like this, which I personally prefer, because my hair is gonna obviously bounce back. So yeah, y'all, we tried Waffle House. I was really excited to try Waffle House. Like, if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know. If you're not following me or you don't have an Instagram, child, you are missing out. We have fun over on Instagram. And I did mention that I wanted to try a Waffle House. Now, here's the thing. We tried the Waffle House by, I think it was George's. No, I don't even want to give y'all the wrong. I think we were in College Park. So it was just, it wasn't the experience that I thought we were going to experience. Nothing but white folks up in there. One person from Rancho Cucamonga, which is out here in Cali, if you don't know where that's at. And, you know, our waitress, the waitress was from Miami. Everybody was black, obviously, which I love. I love that about Atlanta. Everywhere you turn around, it's a black person. It's like, come through all these black people. Guys, kid. Yeah, come on. Come on, black people. Black. Just, well, she not black, but it's amazing. The blackness out there is so different from the blackness out here. For first of all, we got like 50% Latinos, so it's so different. I didn't see not one. I don't think I even saw a Latino when I was out there. Like, it was so many of us, and it was just amazing to experience again, because I've seen it obviously before when I was in Atlanta. I didn't know that it was so many black people in Atlanta, but I was here for it. So yeah, the Waffle House was just okay. Like, if you're from LA and you've tried Roscoe's, I thought it was gonna be like a Roscoe's, or like you can at least compare it. You can't really compare the two, but I definitely think Roscoe's is better. Maybe because I just grew up on it, but I mean, it wasn't nothing special about Waffle House. But I think we went to the wrong one. We went to a lot of nice restaurants. Some of the restaurants were just so good. The food, the drinks, oh, I couldn't be in Atlanta and doing keto. Oh, no. I gotta get skinny first, then move to Atlanta. You hear me? Nope. Yeah, y'all, that's how the hair is looking. I'm a little nervous. I can already see like my hair trying to get trifling. But yeah, y'all, we had an amazing time. We visited. So right now we are at Spelman, and it is called Spellbound. And she said it's what? It's where
Admitted Students Day, so seniors in college.
Yeah, look at them.
They're out here cheering.
They're all cheering for the new like seniors from high school coming. Freaking Atlanta is amazing. Oh my God. I love it. Spelman and Morehouse, and they were having Spellbound, and y'all, we were just having a blast. And then going to the hair show, you guys. That was just crazy, because I personally did not like advertise it, because I did not want to work with the brand. I just wanted to enjoy my time. I didn't want to be limited like I was the last time I was in Atlanta with the brand. And I just wanted to explore the city and be on my own time. It's so green here, y'all. I mean, I know y'all get a lot of rain, but the green here be looking almost fake. Look at that green. She said LA's green is dusty. Yeah, our green don't be looking like this. So I chose not to work with a brand, but I still wanted to go. So originally my hair was down, but it was so windy the day before. My curls was just like, sis, you might want to get it together. I just put my hair up in a bun. I was very low key. But so many of y'all, my subscribers, came up to me. My heart was so full. Like, I just didn't expect, I just didn't expect to really run into that many people. I ran into so many of y'all. And you guys were beautiful. Y'all were just so sweet and just could, like, respond to certain parts of my videos. And just like, if you are new here, it just really overwhelmed me. And it was just like, wow, like the love was just so unreal. So that was just one of the highlights of my trip. It was just an amazing time. Atlanta is just amazing. Period. So anyway, I'm talking a lot because this is a chit chat video. Amond, how you doing? Okay, but anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and leave my hair alone, probably for like a couple hours, because I got some things to do, and then I'll be back. We will diffuse and stretch like I normally would. And yeah, so in the meantime, in between time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, sis. So it's really stiff and hard, which I prefer because I'm gonna scrunch the crunch anyway. So yeah. stretched my hair yet. I just diffused it, but I'm not gonna get too happy just yet. So I stretched this side of my hair. This side is still what it was. This is why I stretched. So far, I mean, y'all. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take this High Shine. I've used a whole lot of this stuff. I'm almost out of it. That's kind of sad. Here we go. Okay, so this is how my hair looks all stretched out. Now, I did cause a little bit of frizz around this area, which usually happens when I stretch my hair. With this being an 8 hold, excuse you, with this being an 8 holds and my hair coming out how it did and handled being stretched, it just, and it feels so good. Oh my God. This is much better than when I tried it before. I hated it before. It was like my least favorite gel of all time. But y'all, oh my. Oh my gosh. Y'all, my hair feels so amazing. I gotta go. Like, I'm about to make dinner plans or something. Like, bomb.com, my hair feels so soft. It has a little bit of a hold, but it just feels amazing. I'm excited. My hair came out shiny. It just feels so good. I'm getting hot. Oh, amazing. Love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was entertaining, helpful, and all that good stuff. If it was, go ahead and subscribe on your way out and like this video. I love y'all so much. I'll see y'all in my next one.